ślisanci. Co to jest w tym momencie? So ist es wieder. So, unterspeichern. Be right back, hold on a sec. Das sind meine Nasenbluten gewesen. Man könnte es aber auch als Ketchup-Flecken verkaufen, weil es wirklich nicht aus diesem T-Shirt mehr rausgeht. Ganz ehrlich, ich weiß es nicht mehr, ob es Ketchup war oder Nasenbluten, die ich die letzte Zeit wieder hatte. Oh, Pipi gehen! So, bevor wir jetzt aufhocken, wir müssen nochmal Pipi gehen. Ja. Hello and welcome back actually to CarX Part 2, Part 281 on this day, on a Tuesday. We well actually did a well done today until 11 o'clock. Even 7:30 to 11 better say, but the half of the time was actually just presented. I used it actually to clean a bit in here and there, in the apartment, the stair house. Tomorrow somebody has birthday in the borough of the compound of the company where I'm working for. So I packed already actually a present together. I used actually my first time in my life actually kind of a coupon or something. And the same day actually I sent someone actually a coupon as well away. It has time until 11th March with these. For hike shoes nearby, actually kind of 7 to 10 kilometers or something. Today we I'm not sure what we are actually gonna, or I want to try to do. You may want to watch. Simply to say, try every car out and have fun. That's all I can say. So,
hello.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Well, konbanwa. It's just 3 o'clock. Oh, cell phone just was giving a little noise here. Noise! Alright. Down below in the description you find a little while actually Spotify, the newest playlist. It's actually not the newest one. I have already 2 other ones. Kind of the scene of the depression, the poisoned one, and Grand Theft Auto X, I'm just calling it. That's actually these after stuff, this CarX D.R.O 2023. And also the last year actually construction work playlist on Spotify came a bit out. It's mostly close actually work music, what you can have in your ears or earplugs, better say. I'm not using on the work earplugs because they're plopping me all the times out. When even here in the stream or live stream, every 10 minutes or maybe lesser plopping out on my ears. The worst is the right side. I'm not talking about my ballsy situation on right and left balls. You know, has nothing to do. Somebody just chipped in, you know, and said what's going on in here. He's talking about something very important in his life. No, not really. Just kidding. Alright. So missing here. No. He's got the party all the time, actually missing a little while of the road. Maybe I'll find something where I say, alright, let's get every track actually, or every call over that track, better say. Get this one. Guyver Mac. Ah, shame, dude. I'm thirsty, you know, on tequila. Oh fuck, I hit it again with it. I hate that to hit it a Google. Must be actually already broken. Hey, coolio. Very busy, aren't you looking, eh? It's like one of these 80s or 90s guy, you know, looking busy. That's the fucked up fire toy ride. Sooner enough, I need to go to the toilet anyway then. Ow! Zeit für Sternhagel dich, Brew. Calling it, it's actually Sternenburg Export. Okay, ich schon selber wollte immer raus. It's the Sternhagel dich, Brew. I have a car on this. Couldn't transfer rate actually on this Defnation CB account, but I have still and running as well nearby. Still got 71% on the trophies, and here I got 91% actually since 2.5 years now. But to get the platinum, you need to reach the level 30, and I have level 27, and it takes another 6 years or something. No joke. Paused already this game actually since 4 days. Not close to 4 days. Because the work was important than actually to be drunk and to go to work the first days again. Normally today is kind of a license drive school, but I can join in as well, 19 o'clock, but I will be drunk, so I'm not doing this. Catching then maybe at first day. But first day, you know what happens to first days. That's so pointless what I'm talking, because there are no subscribers anymore here, like on DefRekka account, that just get away since the 18th first this year. That's fucked up, definitely. There will be always a watcher in there actually join in and saying, oh yeah, I remember what happened at this days, or these days. Now it's just actually some chums. Before I lost my account, I get teached actually on them and having bit half friendship or something we can talk about. That's just, you know, close by, have fun in this time or something. But there are a lot of subscribers that don't know actually I still exist. That's why my tags are actually pointing on DjVolgin, DefRekka, DefReaper, DefNation, DefNation for real, all these stuff, you know. Christopher,ゆにちいろ, Yamamoto, Takeshi Sato, beer, rum and cola, all these stuff. 43, of course, DC. Most of here actually, so many scam came from Filipino that's out of control by them. Some actually scam hacked as well. Some kind of these hop scams, so scam hops. This is so fucked up, man. internet was used actually in the 70s, 80s actually as a military support. And now they're fucked up actually with all these things about these TikTok and Twitter, what's the X, Instagram. These are the ones. Facebook, of course. Oh yeah, here we go. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Facebook. You boop. I know. I feel actually not a part on social anymore, since so many kids are in there. It's kind of 75% of children are in these social medias, you know. It's so boring. It came out these kind of Facebook. I was more like in Skype on this hood. Go on the Facebook, send them out all this stuff. Uploaded a video on YouTube on DefRekka account, 2011 to 2016. Mostly Asian was actually my friends in this time. But like we getting older, how silenter the socials get if you have a brain, right? But continuously this stuff. Just did actually since 10 years or 20 years now. Alright, whatever. Vámonos. Music. Oh my god. But lesser the engine to not make it overblow was a mistake. Normally I don't make mistakes, but sometimes I'm so sloppy and too chilled and tired. That kind of shit. Tier 2 is I'm good drunk, and Tier 1 is a happy day. Everything's good and happened well. Ah, that music, man. Dang. Pop, pop, pop. Generation noise. Some bolts not working on the vehicle, mate. Cheers up, Cabana, short is a loose, but was in the next game. Ja. 5 Meter habe ich schon weg. Music's pumping up for the next time. Deadly for sure. If you just half times in the music, it will appear for the next race in the game itself, and you're drifting. If you're just over to the half time, it's not appearing. If you're starting up the music for 10 seconds, actually, it will be appear in the next drift race. So amazing. Godzilla! Swimmer check. I have some feeling actually I need to go to the toilet and having some dumpster or something to do. Let's do a daylight in here. So be right back. There's some diarrhea coming up. Oh god. Oh.
Microphone on.
Au! Weißt du mal schon wieder, wie weit das da drin liegt? Das ist überhaupt. Tadaimasu. Wow. Samma debatt. Zu viel Impressions. Schon mal. Oh, shit, so long. It's crazy if you just listen 1 week actually all the times, the same songs. It bores me, you know. That just bores me. It's kind of every 5th live stream on you know, CarX or something, I just want to change the whole complete playlist again. And sometimes, and some 2 or 3 months later or something, I'm missing them, researching them again. So that's why I have so many playlists. The side is just fucked up again on the nose. Compref in. Wait, just forget again. Oh, was this commercials made? Fuck it. Fire to is full and don't burns. Like, I'm going crazy with this shit. Oh, this one is actually full as well and don't works. I think that was the fire turret needs to get thrown away. Man, I'm not, you know, I don't. Where's the fire turret again? Actually burns. Yes. Crazy stuff. The smoke is dangerous anyway. Forget about it. What I want to tell actually is something else. It's just like everybody takes cocaine or something and weed. We're not just talking about that one. Every young child actually tried weed or something is crack. So what the fuck I'm talking anyway. You can sneeze whatever you want. It's not going out. Until I get nosebleed again. Shoot. Gambarimasu. How many folks are actually watching or live streaming today? Let's see this up. Catching actually in on the PlayStation 4 and 5, 3 persons. And number 1 is a Japanese. He's on YouTube. Hey, finally somebody. YouTube doing. Then it's myself and somebody on Twitch, but he's already gave up. Right. Back to the game. It's just 10.2 gigabytes. just enjoying the view. That's why the replay, sorry for that one. Even now I'm listening actually to in-game music from the game out on Spotify. With the Part², put the on it. Miles up yours. Music is so astonishing. Close to 3 years I'm playing this game, right? And the music is still awesome. Only 2 titles I don't like. Hey Kiki, what's up? Tjus op, campagna short is dus, dus wat er ook nieuws next film. Ah, bitte nee. Hirnzuchten. Grossberry. Time actually to pimp these cars up. I couldn't decide how to do that. Changed a bit in here, like the traction. Again. That annoying music in the main menu, man. Slop off! Don't want to hear it! Nighttime! It's a white car, that's okay. Graphic can handle that, right? I'm drunk, I don't care anymore. Ah, Sternhagel dich, bro. Made from Yamamoto,ゆにちいろ in the Bavaria. Okay, significant witzig. Was it a placement or something in here? Nope. Cigareless, just by a critical moment in here by 1 centimeter. Burning in the eyes, no problem. Goberinos! Too many torque. Having all the times problems. Oh, we already once we did it! A 4.8. Oh, look at that! I didn't know about that one. Yay! So close to 5K, 50K. I can't work with these fire toys. Oh, I'll be right back, hold on. Something's knocking me off. Oh. Or even, or something. Good. Why is this vehicle, like all the times the V8, so fucking loud? That's a V4 or V6, right? Why that's so annoying loud? Later on, after this one, I better say I'm going out then. You see actually the span of the music in the in-game and the car itself, how loud between. It's this one is a 1/4 and something like, or this is 30% on actually the car right now, 100% on the music in-game. Careful loud again, sorry for that one. It hurt my ears! Short corners. Now those looking short corners tighter into another one. Kind of the rally you say actually from a 4 into a 2. Right, for that doesn't matter. But the car with the torque, it's always like it's actually built up for a rally. Actually, it was only built up for rally, right? It had nothing to do in the drift. It's like the Mitsubishi, the MR or the 8. See, kind of, you know, I don't know about Evo 8. Here we go. I'm sorry. And the Subaru, you know, these are the WRX, STI that actually built it up for rally, not for drifting. And you can feel that in here. The original engines are having too much torque to produce actually more RPM and kind of difficult tight corners going widen up and tight again. That they're playing too much with the gearbox. So, hold on. Oh, the car of a 90. No, hold on. That's the music, right? Exactly. That's the car, 85. Alright, I thought actually, but okay. My mistake. No wonder every car is so loud today. Next vehicle. Loro Zorro. Earplugs again. Pom pom pom. Pom 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 pom. I want to destroy the 1666 actually in the time attack. It should actually then I need to reach 2222. What was the next one I like very much? Yeah, okay, 177. Okay, it doesn't matter actually for that one. Ring done. Nothing done in here. Oh, gross, Marion. That's with sorrow. Ja, den gubben var det mas. More like bonsai. Shot tequila. Ich habe kein Panda wie sie du gerade brauchst nie Schneck spielen. Bitte nicht schon wieder, oder? Yo, Dollface, Gava Mac, how you feeling today? Oh man, totally wasted. Motors! Bring some nitro to bed. Bonk. Oh, I need to drink a beer away. Number 7 for today. Compound 6, construction work area 0. That was the first one for today, actually at home. It's 15 o'clock. Oh, 6. Did I say sex? You wanna have ridiculous talking with me? Just call. Come on. Glamorous Tomlin Underground too. It's just a silly music here in the game. Worth a little watch. Folks. Hey little crowd, what's going on? Oh, Gollum, I guess his normal hair again. Cootie. What was the saying though? I'll already say 60 miles all the time. It stops. 65, goes to 80, 70, 60. I can see that, you know. It's HD, 1080p, 60 frames. Ow, ow. Tequila! Oh, God. Yeah, I got a lot of bottles of tequila at home. Now you can numerous actually what comes from actually Colombia, with actually some cocaine in there, right? There's a lot of news actually. They're filling actually bottles with tequila or sack, or better say, wine with bubbles, better say. With sometimes cocaine or LSD. They're so fucked up, man. This is so fucked up, man. Whatever. Okay, wanna stand over here? Yes, I want. Let's see what we can solve. Alright. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. From the other side. Oh, what happened? Hui hui. Hui hui hui. A long term. I'm not sure about that one. It's a very long one. Nope, you're going in here. Oh, really? Okay. I hate that track. But trust, actually, Panorama in Australia is a long one. Left, right, left, right, left, right. It's actually boring, but you get a lot of points. My most maximum was actually 870 XPs for that. It's how long the track is, how long you drive, and drifting better say actually in that. You get a lot of XPs in single player then. How shorter, and it doesn't matter how crazy you are, how shorter they are, and you just get it done under 1 minute, how lesser the XP is. Even on the West Coast area, arena, right? Or area? Arena or area? I totally forgot that one. Reached the 43 minutes. It's over a year now. Salute goes out there for Cam Block. Where I'm actually working the construction company. The old boss basically died actually in January as well, 7 days later than I actually can blog. But that was for 4 years ago, but actually it must be 5 years ago. 4 years? Seriously, 4 years? And last year Cam Block just, you know, died by a mosquito accident. Same zodiac signs, close actually to the same birthday. My old boss from construction work company, and you know, kind of one of my favorites, drifter and rally drivers, you know. Yeah, everybody says he was not a good rally driver. I don't think so. He won a lot in the American rally as well. He was actually a good, because W or C, the FIA-WC is not easy. Every year the terms or the restrictions are changing, like in the Formula 1, you know. And to take by slip or drifting, actually, you know, there's, you know, corners you can say from 1 to 6 when it goes to left or something, going bump or something over, then it's rally is different like in corner, definitely. It's kind of you're driving actually a motorbicycle or something, actually over some dirt roads or mud roads, and then you're driving the next day actually a monster truck. That's the hardcore difficult, you know. So Cam Block was actually fascinating for me. It's more than, I think, 14 years. When 14 years, then actually Forgiven Junior since actually kind of 12 years. Actually, before Forgiven Junior came in my life, there was on Need for Speed Shift 1, right? And so before already I know actually Cam Block is more than 4 years before, you know, before that. And a long time ago, Colin McRae. I think I have diarrhea today. My God. After that one in here, then I'm going to the toilet again. Let me fix the earplugs again. Damn it. Alright. Somebody else. Bumping music. Don't get wrong in here. You say so. That's a long vehicle, eh? Kind of a deluxe premium car in Chapin, though. limousine or something. Oh, my ears are tickling, god damn it. No. What happened in here? Spoiler, dude. Yeah. I can't find a rhythm with this car somehow. Too short torque. Have a little essentially strap in the RPM, but it's fast. There's a lot of horses. PHP. Here we go again. I don't know what I have to do then. Go left, right, and destroy the car, right? Hit the ball. Brakes a bit sloppy. That's what we boy. It was not so bad. Only the beginning by the braking that was fucked up. Car is very fast up. Couldn't actually brake. Was already in the green. Actually, the opposite side of the reverse track, you have problems to get actually out of the sandbank as well. With most 70% cars I have. That was a beginner problem. So that was the first time on the normal original track I fucked it up in here as well. On the other opposite side actually. That's fucked up. So I'll be right back. Diarrhea is coming up. Sitting on the toilet then. 849 XP. Hey, that's something good. How long you drive, how long the track is, and how long you drift, and how more XPs you get. That was a fine ass 3.5 minutes, you know. Crap, come on. Need to go to the toilet. How you want it? Oh, I got it. Yeah, okay, like this one. Need to go to the toilet. Seriously fast. Alright, be right back. Thank you for watching. Matta. Luca! God. Heilige Mario. Muss noch schnell ein Foto schicken von einem Freund. So, einen Moment. Go. Back to YouTube. Was ist das schon wieder? 300, ja, das ist fast schon. Oder 1000, oder? Dann schon wieder die ganzen Leute gut. Kind of busy street actually, but trust. How to speak this out, man? And Panorama, Australia. It's a famous racing track, especially for the older cars. Ich sag ein paar eine Stadt, diese Lüse, wird bald gerade nicht mehr spielen. In your face. GTX to set this crack a bit. Not an X vehicle, Dodo. Part². Was a 54? Okay. Okay, I mean K for just 54K and a 380 or 332. Okay, oh, sorry for that, KK. So, oh my gosh, sorry for that. Not just sell the edge. And 2, okay. Let's see the difference. The short track, giving me actually 100 to maybe 89 to 120 on the XPs. Let's do that internally and try to beat actually a 2.7, a 2K707. That's a nice number anyway. Digit. Choose up. My last race, actually my ears was actually a little bit tickling. I hate that. Normally after every shower or something I'm going out, I clean up my ears, but I totally forget it today after the work. And when the music is actually vibrating in your ears, and I'm getting older, more hairs are in there and tickling with the earplugs. Not actually cleaned, it doesn't matter, but the hairs, the tickling and vibing actually with the bass boost and stuff from the earplugs. Got these headset actually over the earplugs as well for listening to the car sound. Let's drink some beer. Or just links for you. I'm not sure who's actually watching. I just say what I'm doing. That's all what I can do. I excuse myself too much anyway here. Cheers up. Tequila! Let's see, what am I listening for?
GTA 6 in-game music you want? URL.
It's very chilly, right? But it has nothing to do with the 80s, I think. There's a lot actually. There's the playlist I have right now. I just collected a bit here and around. The half of them not fitting to the game, and the other half of the playlist I have right now is actually fitting. Decide on yourself.
URL.
Cheers up. Campagne så vi ser ut, så du skal prøve ny next game. Maybe. In Oric? Oh gosh. Boston's got the people. Boston trade. Oh, I can't smack it in. Oh my gosh. Retry. The car is so fast and speedy. I totally forgot that's a lightweight as well. A lightweight, I'm sorry my English. Too many tequila on behind actually my tongue and my throat. Stop for a short time actually music in game. Because it's a short track. Repetitive music or just play the next music and the playlist actually is bad in game. But before we're doing that, focusing on the 3K in here. Interior is fascinating, especially short tracks. Then I'm starting to continuously actually in-game actually, I better say interior. Sometimes tracks then as well, like St. Petersburg or yeah, there's actually San Francisco as well. I can't remember actually these stuff. My brain is just covered with music and beer, and the thinking's actually translating German to English. Sorry for that one. I'm seeing something like a person in actually a lake with his boots, short cargo, this weirdo on his head, like everybody's using that actually for a table to cover. Monty Python. Yeah, that was the 60s, man. It's kind of a very but raged farmer trying with his hands to fish out actually his fishies. Oh gosh, that looks fine as. Oh, Monty Python was always good. Get me right now the DVD collections on them, but 720p. 69. And actually 3 languages only. And it was actually Italy, German, English. Careful, noisy. I need more effort. More effort. There's a couple of actually points more. 124 on XPs. I want to reach 3K, goddammit. Already reached 2.8 instead of 2.707, right? The beginning is just a piece of shit. On the opposite side, on the reverse track, you have more time in the beginning to corner actually from the left to the right side and get into the stage before you reach in the bridge. And here you get already, you know, into that one corner and going over the bridge to turn once then. The other reverse track is you can turn 3 times. That normal, or that reverse track, better say, in here is short. The normal track is longer, and you can make actually more than 3K. I think my record was actually kind of close to 9K or something. I think it was actually with the truck or something, with the cargo. But the shorter one, the reverse in here, it is. You need to try to handle by yourself, then you know what I'm talking about. A troubleshooter. Vámonos. Yeah, we reached the 3K. Nice one. Just before you hit the bridge, you need to brake a bit and don't hit something after that. And that's the key. Oh, drifting philosophy. Oh my god, my English. Philosophy. It's just a oh, come on. That 600 points more gathered me actually 4 XPs only. A 600 drift points more DP gathers me only 4 XPs more. I just want to try it right now in the bird view. Or the Intinori. Let's see what I can do. Normally worser then. Because sometimes Intinori makes more fun. Get my brain actually shut it down and having more fun and sliding, and of course my back brain is something saying, hold on, your trunk is already close to reaching actually the outside of the walls. That's fun. Gran Turismo music, Grand Theft Auto music is so loud right now. Alright. Let's beat the 3.3K. I did it. And sometimes cars are better in Intinori, and sometimes you can actually get more points if you're sometimes in a bird view. But it's not proved by myself even. 25% sometimes from the Intinori out there I can beat myself from out the bird view. But Intinori, here we go. It's 1 XP more for just actually 300 DP points more. How shorter, how faster you go. That was a 21 seconds. Was a track like, I don't know, a half kilometer. So that's why actually this is fast, but actually boring for time to go. How long are the track, how long are you drifting in the track, how more XP points you get in the single player mode. But that's why I'm not actually saying no. I want to do every fucking track again with every car the game gives us. A go and again and being the gold again and pumping up the, you know, DP points. And that's why I have so many money actually. Over actually 700 millions right now on the account. Maybe 10% right now I'm playing online mode, you know. You get a lot of XPs. Okay, we don't want to talk about that one. But it can be very boring as well. Have not finding time to talk with each other. I'm not a fan of these PlayStation 4 party mode. Where we can teach or talking actually with other people's. It's annoying. You hear your car, you're talking to children. You want to listen to the music of the Spotify music, in-game music. I just losing or just get confused and fucked up. So that's why I'm just playing by myself. I grow up by myself. I'm ending up my life by myself. And nobody cares. There will be not a tombstone for me. Definitely. Even though I was working very hard. Playing a bit hard, but... And drinking hard. Nah, hard, not really. It's just like 20% or fine alcohol, like actually distillated alcohol, and the rest actually from the 80% I'm drinking beer, even sometimes half beer with lemonade. The other one is actually I'm drinking a lot of water, bubbled water, tea, coffee. So beer is by 60%, 20% high alcohol, and actually the rest of 20% is a lot of water, but let's say 18% and 2% actually vitamin chews, then actually coffee and tea. I like everything. Seriously. I can't, okay, high, I kind of over actually 60-80% alcohol I hate. I can't deal that. It's just a waste of money. It's the same about actually smokings, right? Cigarettes make me ill. The half cigarettes with actually horsehair makes me ill, even they're cheaper than cigarettes. Cigarillos, tobacco, like actually cigarillos and cigars I like very much, and I know what I'm doing actually with my lungs. But then there's the marijuana or crack pipe or something like it's going actually like the 80% alcohol, and I fuck off this shit. Seriously. Never tracked actually myself back actually to a crack pipe because I don't need that, and in Germany you don't find that. Maybe 10 people actually on kind of 2 million people actually use them, and they're really lost in this life. Well, and that was maybe for 10 years ago. If you're looking America to preventing that, just earning money from Colombia or something, money from them and switch off weapons or something. America just, that is one of 3 or 4 actually applications where they earn money. Selling weapons is number 1. Number 2 is drug selling. Number 3 is actually making his politics as they want to do, and kind of, that's the politics. It had nothing to do with the people's actually out there in America. That's the Pentagon, that's, you know, it's just the government itself. Using people to do something like scamming, and the 4th one is actually to ship people actually to work. Number 5 is actually to deal already for the presidential, what they try to do all the time. So, you know, I don't know what's Biden and Trump doing. Is there nobody else, but they have only 2 political sides, you know. They can handle America for the next 4 years then. That's boring. Where's that Clinton girl? What about some kind of from the Obama, you know? But it's kind of this Biden side. It's bullshit. You have only 2 political sides. Even in Germany we have more than actually 5. Actually we're going to 8. Actually more. You have only plus and minus in America, right? Well, looking Russia, Japan, China. There's only 1 bimbo. France, there's only 1 bimbo. In Turkey is 1 bimbo. It's terrorism and it's dictators. Japan, I have to not saying that's okay. We in Germany say Kaiser. So actually, that's something different. In Japan, they have no kind of these, what's it calling, terroristic dictator style. That's not happening in Japan. So it's okay to have 1 king, you know, that's okay. I like it. But if you're watching China, there can be more to fight about actually politically and saying I'm now, you know, president or whatever they're calling it, you know. So Russia the same. They get fucked up and get drugged or something or get killed. Get muted, you know. So Japan has a lot of from Germany. Instead, that Germany have a lot of parts and structures about policy that shouldn't be there, you know. And that's why they're fighting so much in Germany. We're getting so lazy for everybody out there. Sure it is. Sure. It's bullshit. 7 fractions try to fight each other for the presidential or something in Germany. It's bullshit. One is actually the right battalion, like the Nazis, the neo-Nazis. One is actually a lefty, it's like the punk session. The other one is actually like we are fighting for the folks only. The other one is actually watching for the money. The other one is actually a sleeper fraction or something. That is somebody else actually learned a lot actually from the 60s, 70s, 80s and still actually awake. And the other one is a totally Nazi. That is actually the Catholic in here. We have so many fucking fractures in here about politics. That is... Nobody can actually explain it in their own land or own country. It doesn't matter. Not even find that in America, South America, Canada. Maybe they have 3 opponents or something to each other. Not seeing that in Asian, you know, this is so bullshit. Germany is I think the only country in all over the world that have so many fractions for policy. Who gets the next kind of chancellor or president, you know? And it's so lame for us Germans. Bleh. Alright, cheers up, Kampagne Schwab, wir sehen uns gleich präsentieren next Spiel. Come in the eye. I'm very sorry about my English, it's very bad. Doesn't matter how many beer I'm drinking, about the policy. I'm getting worse by that. It's the same when I'm talking about the construction work. Sometimes I don't know about the tool, what kind of a name I can give, or what the internet says. It's the worst, I know. My English. Teach myself, sorry for that one. And I'm so old, right? I feel like Biden or something. I feel so old that I don't, you know, can mention how many I can deal with my brain to save down for short or for long term brain thinking. The most 20, it was for maybe 10 years ago, 75% I was get taught by my long-term brain. Now I feel actually like kind of these 10 to 15 years now, I feel like the short brain terms idea of saving some information is already get flopped off, and maybe 10 or 5% just get actually I learn about it, and the long-term you know, addition of my brain gets saved. Or it's just using it by, I don't know why I'm doing that. It's crazy. I'm close to 40 years and kind of this, you know. It's getting harder. It's the beer drinking, the alcohol, the smoking. The difference about the first company I worked for the construction work, and here right now the second one. It's complex and complicated as well, and I don't know. Let's go forward with this vehicle. I really try, and I'm using sometimes myself by jokes. How I can bring back actually my short thinkings into the long-term thinkings. And the next day I'm waking up having out a different actually meme, which is out of thinking by fun, which is waking up actually and the feeling is away from the last day. Just making party and jamming around, and if it was marriage or a birthday or something, I'm waking the next day up, even I'm not was drugged by actually, you know, alcohol. I just was actually in a party and was coming home and it was fine ass, going to shower and going to sleep. The next day, the most to 80% the feelings just away. And so the thinking is just because my childhood. Sorry for that one. And so I have a lot of problems with this one. So if I'm drifting here very well, the next day it can't be the worst. Can't remember the feelings about my controller interacting actually with this game. One at the same time producing actually a car and trying to figure it out what's the problem and just give it you away actually the setup or something like this, and I totally doing it wrong in the morning time. Afternoon maybe it's getting better because I was drinking already my 8th beer because the feelings from the last day comes back. That's so crazy, my brain. I think some synapses are only reacting when I'm drinking beer. Or you just let me actually dry out and get me sober after 4 days. It will come back as well. But I know that if you're just drinking or not drinking. If you're drinking over an episode kind of a month and drinking over 3 months not anymore, you get more productive. I'm not talking about sperm or actually bureaucratic. It's just more productive by jokes, bureaucratic, stuff you never want to touch when you're drunk or something. Even trying to get out actually if you want to do a license drive. If it's kind of a 1/3 or something to say as a one charge part or 3 parts. If I'm drunk, I'm not doing that safest way what I want to do. Because I'm not safe enough. If this is really the safe way, and if I'm going to the 2 of that 3 parts, somehow I can figure it out. Okay, that was the safest way. You did a great job actually, even you was drunk. And the other parts are something like, oh, you was drunk. Why you just called some person to make something like a license drive term out? So some kind of this one, you know. I never was actually making a minus on myself to say I was drunk. I did shit. Never, seriously. I'm seriously, and I'm really proved, even I'm drunk the next day, even I'm going to construction work, what I'm saying is always the right one. I'm not doing wrong things. So my body system already actually recognized you did wrong things when you was drunk, even you like to be drunk sometimes, or getting actually into a rage about drinking beer or something. Figure it out. If you get drunk, the next day somebody wants something from you, the material or something they need to keep okay. I need to pack it in my car. And you say then, I need to go stay home because I'm drunk, I can't help you on the construction site. Already get solved that. So since there, before I'm drinking, it's very important the next day, I write me down the material and what's the work for the construction site, right? As normally a boss is doing that. I do that. It's very important or something in the next week to handle a construction work. Got my time 3 days before I going actually construction site, I stopping alcohol drinking. Most important question, why I'm drinking alcohol? 80% beer, better say, or let's say 70% beer. Kind of 10% actually bubble water, tea, coffee, like coffee, better say. And I'm not drinking actually like a cup. I'm drinking 2 liters coffee with milk. And the sugar away. I'm joking not around about kind of these 25 milliliters of Italy coffee or something, you know, getting pressed 4 times. No. I get a real normal creamy coffee with a little milk in there without sugar, a 2-liter wise over the Sunday or something I like very much. Now it's not unnormal or something, but people's doing that sometimes. It's kind of, but my coffee is strong then and creamily, but it's kind of, I like it. Like people's doing actually marijuana and actually eating after that very sharp things or something, you know. Pizza Diablo or something, this crack, you know. Extra jalapenos or something. They're getting a flash. And I like to drink actually, yeah, what I'm not doing on construction site, at home then, coffee. It's actually for me sometimes better too, because sometimes I'm eating more than to kind of between 3,000 or 5,000 calories. I'm gonna have actually a good 2 days actually drinking time. The hell, birds? Trying to say is everybody's a little bit different, and yeah, we are. And I'm very annoying actually, you know, different. Not annoying, but annoying, because annoying are already be, but they're learning still from me as well. So that's why I'm annoying already. And it makes me sick. Because I'm single and I know I'm dying short, but it doesn't matter for that one. I already say that actually for 10 years ago, that I'm dying with 30. Didn't good, somehow. It's fun. And actually not fun. Started up the working with 6 years and already hated God. Jesus, all this stuff, you know. And I promised my grandmother I'm dying soon because I hate this guy. He didn't help me about my stepmother. Against her, I'd say, because my father was actually a half day at Sunday home and the rest he was in the work in the week. And so I learned myself and all this stuff, and that's why I'm waking sometimes up actually without feelings. Mostly actually. Still, since actually I'm old now, still waking up without feelings sometimes, and I hate it. Only know we have to go to work maybe in 4 hours. We can sleep a little bit, or watching something, get informated about actually journalism. Inside I'm belovely. Meanwhile, I'm dead. Inside dead. Work-color wise, actually, I'm alive again. Das heißt Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. Vámonos. After that one, actually, I'm going to the toilet again. Somebody's watching anyway in here. I'm not sure about that. I'm talking all the times to the wall, or maybe I'm talking to someone. Ooh, that was for trust. Whatever. Should actually visit the toilet. He's running. Like it's GTA 3. Hey, they did something actually in the garden over there. Ooh, that looks hot. They're still there. Like what I'm seeing, guys. It's my neighborhood. The multimillionaires. And sometimes they're watching over me since actually the beginning of the week. Last week as well. Because I'm a construction worker and they know the company in here, and not far away they're having a garden company. They know actually nothing about us, and I don't know nothing about them. Kind of my boss is a millionaire, and the other side over the street is a millionaire as well. Closely they're doing the same job. But it's garden, they have a garden company right now actually, or yeah. Get delivered. We have 2 or 3 actually here in the town. Getting actually over there where they're actually far away. They can 20 kilometers. And I just want to pick up information how they're actually doing this to not fuck up the grass or greens actually, and the plates in there. And one of these plates, I know there are 200 to 300 kilograms weight on steel. It's very interesting. The grass is fine as they already did in the corner some stuff. Because as a construction worker, you're thinking I'm a construction worker, but be dealing with everything. Kind of the garden construction workers, the dryers on the construction work. We're doing everything in our company. It's very small. And so I'm watching and sneaking and something. Wow, they did great. And I have to say, they're good. God damn it, they did it great. Get informations actually. Because I have a construction worker, he's actually putting the mortar on the walls. Then I have two ones actually I'm following sometimes on the construction work where I actually be on a bricklayer. And the other one is actually doing the kind of this excavation system. And he's lost without me. And so I have actually 3 places in the construction company by 8 people where want to share them in all the times. It's not like the informations or something, it's just like how to help out, and I like to help out, and that's the one thing I like in my life. Without that syndrome to help not a person out, I can't sleep. I'm winning information I want to give away as well. Why should I be an asshole? Why be profited at this shit? I'm a single dude. I have no family, no friend, no girlfriend, no license drive, no car and then steed. I'm not something special actually in the social. I grew up in the farmerhood. Best saying. My father was not there. My mother quit actually the contract about my father and her. So I went actually into a kind of a stepmother with my father. And then I was going to a patchwork family, and then I was starting up in the construction work, and my grandmother and aunt. Yeah. Since 21 years actually I'm at the construction work now. Kind of, yeah. 20 years, but 21, but 20 years I say. There's always a work lesson here and work lesson there to change. I was at actually these kind of what's that in English calling? If you get the plates on the roofs, better say on your roof, but solar collectors or something, you know, the sun collecting plates. I was actually 3 months. I learned actually the forklift to drive. He asked me, you can do, and I say, yeah, no problem. I grew up at the farmhood. I think I can handle it. And so I did it for a half month. For no joke, that was even the complicatedest forklift I ever drove. As in especially on our compound right now in the construction work. And so, I was already in another company, the shipping actually these kind of ventilation system boxes. You can have it in parts, like 1.50 meters or something in the longness, to Spain and Russia. It's kind of, you have an industry or something, you have these ventilation systems suck up the air and get it away and filter it and get into the industrial, you know, placement or your workplace back. So I worked 8 months for them. And they were saying actually you want to stay, but we can't have you because they have too many professional workers right now in this company. And so they decided to say, we can't help you out, you have to go. But I was 1 month longer than the Greece and Italy's actually, the Slovaks. There was no Poland, right? No, more Greece. There are a lot of friends actually missing. In 8 months I did a lot of friends. Even the janitor at night time before I was getting on my fucking bicycle and going home to the other to my other grandmother, the farmhood. It was so fine as. Only the clothing was pissing me off. It's kind of these not cutting through clothes stuff. And I was driving with the bicycle all the times over to them actually, kind of these 12 kilometers. I was sweating before I was starting up the work, 8 hours long. And I was always too early to check in the point, you know, when you open up the door and checking in. Always 15 minutes early. Hey, I'm not in a car here and I can't sleep. It's raining out there, it's hailing. I need to go inside. And so you're checking in with the car as well, so I'm sorry. That was only the one minus point. After 2 months or something like that, I wanted to find out I can handle a crane. Kind of these industrial crane there they're using. Kind of these 12-ton crane. Using the spider, the hive spider or something, kind of the forklift, but only electricity down on the floor. That was fun. I could help myself. They were saying, you know, we need no professional. We overdosed with these. Oh shit. So I came again to the second, you know, construction company. Still, actually, since 11 years I'm here. 1 year's not counting. I was in a kind of cycle mental. Actually, I was so fucked up, and the alcohol as well. I think I measured actually 50% of that. I just wasn't this time in 2014. I'm away with these alcohol abuse about my childhood stuff. I'm just away. Now I'm focused. Now I know what I have to do. Thanks to the military before as well. Teach myself the most. Because these mental industry in there. An hour, then a half hour we can speak, then 15 minutes, and maybe once in 2 weeks. Hello? So take over actually the whole hospital of these healers. Checked out every patient and checked out what we can do with you, what you can handle, a little having a job, or just too busy, or you stop smoking, it's best for you. Oh, I love that. It's a rating actually from the VHS to DVD cinematic on that kind of hospital actually. I just revolt as well. There was 10 weeks long, and the other one's kind of 8 weeks long. There was only actually kind of 187 patients. I was watched over, jammed in if they want, they need to have a job or just getting together and connected. Everybody has this illness and stuff, and mental illness as well, and so it was actually not fun, but that was giving me business stuff, you know. So that's why I know that I'm actually a worker and not something, a person like to show off who's boss. I can collect information and give you the best job done. You need to do deal done today. Information material, and that makes fun to wake up, you know. To not be lost in going actually to the compound, waiting for something you get and trying to settle it down for today actually, and don't care about how fast I can be or something. It makes fun to have information. How can it be? What kind of material you need before you going the next day actually do working with this? And how many persons you need? That makes so much fun. Sure, there's criticals in here and there, but you're learning out of this. So that's why I'm taking it chilling, not like aggressively to say some words about this one. There's other construction workers, they go on the construction site and somebody else from other companies coming and they going crazy with them. I understand his pain, I understand our pain. Now we need to actually find out a middle way. And then actually there's something that calls actually kind of these, they won't actually have to do this. I'm not sure about this English word, but kind of persons actually there, they're starting up actually for the information to get a construction worker here or plumber worker. So you have to think actually, you need to be cold. We're very feelsome, you know. I can't actually go and making a reaction now by 180 to 360 or something. Wait for every decisions and then we collect them, and then my brain is just saying, okay, there's actually the middle way we can do only for everyone's peace, you know. For every fraction of construction workers. And that makes fun as well. Why was this overreacting? This is senseless, it's stupid. The most you can say, you go home, fuck off, search another construction worker family or something up to that, you know, problem, or you just handling it. But the other construction worker, the plumbers or something, need to come with us as well, together. Not like to saying that company sucks, the construction worker sucks, the plumber sucks, electrician sucks. That's bullshit. I hate that. Alright, enough blah blah blah. I'm sorry, my English sucks anyway for that stuff to talk. Like I lost actually 50 hairs or something. How about that discussion in here? How old do you get and stuff like that and blah blah blah. It's kind of the pH on the verb about if your blood is okay, but something is, my English sucks for that one. I'm not a doctor, but there's something moving, you know. Steroids, it's just lower and lower getting down by me. That's why I'm losing maybe a little bit hair here and there and getting grown up into my back hair or something like that. That's actually, I think, the normal way. And the beer drinking is not healthy as well. Especially out of cans. More and more minerals getting into your body that not should be there. And they're collected actually in your body system, not actually swapped away with your pee or dung, you know. Staying in the blood weans sometimes. It makes you a little bit poisoned and ill. Long term. Never forget that. That's why alcohol drinking is so poisoned. Not okay. To drink in 1 year, a box of beer. That is lousy. That's okay. You get more medication actually if you're getting older, like a box of beer in a year. We not want to talk about that one. Even black tea or other tea sorts actually are more poison than beer drinking, with the same scale of liters, of course. Alright, I think it's time. Ganbarimasu. Careful, it's loud. Not really. Then this more is okay. Fast. Yay, 30k! For 29. Oh, come on! At 1.5 minutes, 449. Instead of a 21 seconds, about a 100, what was it again? 20? It's the longness, the difficult. I didn't say that before, the difficult about actually technical, or actually moderating, actually drifting. There's so much to do. This game is perfect, seriously. It's for all actually the classes will do something. It's very fair. It's a very fair game. But the physical actually about this car to the actually the tarmac, but I say tarmac, yeah, it is actually. It's very fair. I like it. This game, that's why I'm playing it so close actually to 3 years now. I can't get away from it. It's actually for me 6 times better than Need for Speed and 2 times better than Assetto Corsa, and especially 3 to 4 times better than Need for Speed Shift, because I learned actually drifting in Need for Speed Pro Street and Shift the drifting. This game is very fair. I like it. It's a cheap game. It's pumping up all the times to deal, let's say the upgrades or updates. I can't annoy it. I love it. It's like Killing Floor 2. I love it as well, but I just after 4 years I gave up. It's always these shooting and being aggressive. Then it's like Mortal Kombat as well. Sometimes I'm playing it, but it's addicting for me, for an alcoholic like me. For short times and 2 to 6 hours actually playing the games. When I'm playing GTA 5, I can play it more than actually 5 days without sleep. It's fun, it's addicting, and you get throat hurt, all these stuff, you know. It makes still fun. That's why GTA 6 never will actually grow better than GTA 5, only because we have more children right now on Earth. They want to play GTA 6 because they're born in GTA 5, you know, and that's since 2014 GTA 5 came out. And so they're born into GTA 5. They want to see GTA 6 for the next revelation, representing actually GTA. So they don't like actually like they hate maybe Dying Light 2 because never played Dying Light 1. Never played Mario Kart because another Mario Kart came out this year or something. Like this shit, you know. They don't think with us. They don't have the mental with us. As the graphic was such a fine ass. As from the Nintendo 64 to PlayStation 2, there was always a difference. GameCube makes the best graphic, I have to say that. This time GameCube just did the best graphic in this time between Nintendo 64 and PlayStation 2. Then the PlayStation 3 came out. The kids right now, they don't even know about the PlayStation 3 anymore. They only know the PlayStation 4 Pro or the PlayStation 5 of the Christmas stuff. And we're talking about a span of 8 years. Or 10 years. They don't know about that. They're now 18 years old. That's the first time they get a PlayStation 4 with 8 years old. They don't know about PlayStation 3. There was a great stuff. Skype. And you know, you can connect with all the peoples on the PlayStation 3 with good quality. Xbox, of course. They don't know about Dreamcast. Dreamcast is like something like Commodore 63 for them. Kind of this shit, you know. They know Dreamcast was 1970. They don't know about Commodore, what they're thinking then, 1940 or something? Oh my god. Game Boy never exists actually for that people's actually. They're grown up since 18 years now and playing games. They only like 80% of the kids. Fortnite. I hate Fortnite. I hate Fortnite. Okay? As for 20 years, they started up with Call of Duty. They liked it. For 10 years, it's actually bicycle of it because EA is EA and EA sucks. That's why I hate more and more what kind of titles of EA comes out on Need for Speed, like Need for Speed whatever, Unbound. I hate it. Never played it. I saw so many on YouTube. Even the whole story, there was no story. It's Fortnite mixed with Need for Speed. That's why the next Need for Speed on PlayStation 6, I hope I can still play it then again. Please. Because PlayStation 6, when I'm not dead anymore, or actually dead in this time, I will buy me actually a KTV and the PlayStation 6. Forget about Microsoft's Xbox, because Microsoft and Microsoft, over Steam on Microsoft, you still can actually buy every game. Why should I play actually over the Xbox when can I use actually an Xbox controller on the PC as well, like a PlayStation controller as well? Fuck Xbox. Xbox is useless. They should actually watch a little bit more for Nintendo, where actually PlayStation or Xbox, I better say Microsoft and Sony was close to buying off Nintendo. But this is actually a seriously threat for me. Nintendo is Nintendo. It's like Sony and Nintendo from Japan out. These are concurrently. You can't stop actually America with the pro and anti and stuff like that. To stop that by only having one president because there's only one order in America. This has never happened. There's always a plus and minus. Like in Japan as well, they have a plus and minus with Nintendo and Sony. If Microsoft want to buy that off, seriously, you cheating Japan the second time in his world life. About Nagasaki and this old stuff, these bombs you getting down there, actually, heavily open, actually, the atom bombs. It's the same pain when you just buy off, actually, Nintendo and Sony from the America getting away, you know, vanquished. It's the same pain you're losing the Persians, actually, at Nagasaki and Hiroshima. It feels like for them, seriously. So let them, Nintendo and Sony, please get down. I know Sony is already involved with America. Isn't it enough that Microsoft already be in Xbox as well? Blah 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 blah. Having already two systems, PC and Xbox, right? The console never came out from America. The console came from actually Eurasian, European and Asian. Never came from America. Only the having some systems overbought them ever, like China just doing it cheap, actually copy-wise them. And so they started up. Never forget Sega system. That was only Commodore actually for them. And some other cheap systems. In that time age for 40, 50 years ago. Or 40 years, 40 years. Not even, right? 30, 40 years? I'm more informative actually like on the console systems and all the electronics and stuff as on the, you know, the rights for house building stuff from 1960s up there or something. Oh my god. I'm a addicted gamer or what? Whatever. Alright guys, we are right now about 112 minutes now. So again, this done here about 2 hours. Why is that light so lightful? Illuminated. A half or an hour, I just want to play and then I'm gonna sleep because I don't feel today very fine. I'm hungry. Talked a lot in here, but only one person just watched in here. Thank you very much for them. I don't know who it is. Information is always a little bit, you know. Even though I'm actually not a premium, but it doesn't matter. For kind of 8 years I already saw who's actually with the subscribing in my list, actually the watching. I can't see that person, so he must be an outsider, don't have YouTube. I don't know. Well done. Cheers up, Campagna Strawberry City. So let's go to the next game. So under that car, vehicle next. Yeah, itinerary watching out is impossible. Oh, shall we go online with this vehicle? Yay! The last hour actually going online then. Red Rock? Bullshit. Sorry. There's a lot of people in here. Nope, they don't. Join if you're from Ireland or want to be in Ireland, right? Ah, yeah. Nobody's actually dealing something in here. That's typical for Ireland. When I'm making dealing done with business, I see in the PlayStation Network ID and just calling them messages and actually making dealings on drugs or something or weapons. They still actually want weapons to fight actually the rest of the world. Never get touched violent. Slums. Russian, Somalia, Irish car meat, IS 200 twin cam. I don't care, what are you doing? He's definitely a PC dude, forget that. What's the other one? Navarro. Parking A. What's the middle finger again? Oh, I was in a group as well the last week. Here we go. That's the dude. I was actually 4 hours with them actually together, but you know, listen, sometimes the master comes back for that actually room in 1 times in a week. The rest can be whatever they're doing in here. I know this very much. The plus was not there. Clean car meat. Yeah, clean car meat. You can't even hit a car. Ugh, boring, mate. Neat, actually. Drifting, time attack, and this one on. Not hitting someone, I don't care. Can change yourself. Nighttime is available. That I don't care about that one. And so on. Outsorted. Kami Road. Actually once because I know late night. Catalina. Okay. Winter Red Rain. East Talk sucks for me. Pacific Hills. Okay. Pacific Hills, but they have 120% on the tires. Can we just check out the disc crack? Hold on. Oh, wonderful. What the fuck I just did. Aha. Don't hitting. You can choose about it or hit them. Ah, okay, that's actually activating. Ah, okay, now I found out. Nighttime or not. All the roads. Nothing special in here. LA block. What can I do in LA block? It's boring. Cami Road is the same, boring. Winter Red Ring. Why are they dealing with this stuff? Sliding action, you can't get forward. There's nothing to do actually. Shit with this crack. Red Rock, okay. Everything's so boring in here. What happened to this one? I don't care. Why is it difficult? Okay, Catalina. Now, well, it's under the week, it's Tuesday. It's afternoon, not night time. Let's join in for an hour. The last person is gone, doing the normal program, and I'm going out and just checking something else then. PC versus PlayStation 4. What we got? Okay. And they're going. He's back again. How that happened so fast? Oh, this car will make problems, definitely. Yeah. Self-campaign Strawberry City, so let's go nicht nachspielen. Perfect music. Give me more. Never happened, right? Kind of assholes. They're not Japanese, definitely.
URL. Give me something more.
Give me.
Blackhead window. No internori possible. Sad.
Vor lauter Bäumen sehe ich nicht mehr den Wald, oder? Be right now. Be right back. Need to go to the toilet. Mata mata. diarrhea, peeing, grabbing me some beer, blah blah blah, all these stuff, you know. Microphone on. Trying to beat me, eh? The PC guys didn't even invited me. Was der Penner, Alter. Mach mal einen, hä? Was, richtig driften in der Nacht oder was, Leute? Warte mal. Ich ändere das mal für die. Vielleicht habe ich noch eine Chance. Wie ging das nochmal? Oh, die fahren schon wieder hier. Ja, Hauptsache im Weg nicht kommen, weißt? Hauptsache das könnte. Oh, wir können dich voten, Alter. Nacht ist Nacht. Aha, naja dann. Wenn ihr wollt. Machen wir gleich die große Runde. Tadaimasu, by the way. Need some beer. And then we can actually beat these mother talkers up. These lousy PC guys, against PlayStation, Sony. I just got head edge, that's all. Gimme, 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 gimme more. Can't even get a picture in here. The gaming Jan actually have a picture because he's a PlayStation 4 user. PlayStation 5. I think I don't care, right? Hey, Kathleen. Gimme, gimme, turn the table. Gimme, gimme, boop, 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 boop. 40 seconds, I'm ready. Just up campaign, what we see, so we'll go for the next game. Tequila! Ganbarimasu, my song. Oh, wir sind bloß noch zu dritt, oder? Ah, machen wir 3. Oh, that tree! Japanese note. Okay. Well, it's about 2K. It doesn't matter. But he was faster than me. That's a Corolla he driving, right?
Pitch black.
Okay.
Be right back. P. I feel like biting today's smile.
Let's back out of someone. Gosh, can't they even drive? What a burst of personality. My head hurts so much today, I can't even go to Model Combat today. I have to stay with CarX. Whoa, the Wellington S20. I have on the other account a personal very good car. Once I'm coming back for that person. That's all. And then I go to sleep. Watching actually, hello Rika. Watching actually Monty Python. Eating a little salad, all this stuff. Can't join because nobody's there anymore. Oh, what's wrong? I'm to restrict it. This guy's not there. But it was actually kind of a half hour by 4,300 points. XP, that is massive, actually. What we have in here? 100k. I mean that. Huh. Ich hoffe, ihr habt aufgehört. Mein Gott, war schlimm. War schlimm. Komm mal größer. Komm mit. Du redest hier nicht viel, oder? Number 1. Best drift. Asian. Kami Road. With no effort. I was drunk, I was peeing, prepared for food, cooking, cleaning. Oh my god. Watching around actually for them. Come on. They already lost. A Subaru is a Subaru. Not an Asian car can handle that one. It's a rally car, internal leg for short corners. Und deswegen habe ich die Schnauze voll als Deutscher. Ihr langweilt mich. Ihr Außerirdischen. Ihr Interirdischen. Wenn der Deutsche so viel schaffen kann. Ach komm, hört mal auf. Ich kann noch mehr, aber ich habe keinen Punkt heute mehr, dass ich mehr schaffen möchte. Ich werde nicht gefeiert, kein Follower, hier und bla bla bla. Ist langweilig. Macht euer Ding. Was spiele ich lieber meinen Puls? Was so richtig und falsch ist. Der ganzen Welt. Kommt der jetzt wieder zurück oder was? Fahr weiter! Verdiene ich mehr XP, Alter, wenn ich eine andere Strecke fahre im Single-Modus, Alter. Soll ich gerade mal 2000 zusammen haben. Da ich vor 10 Mal den Scheiß im Singleplayer und hab mehr zusammen in einer halben Stunde im Gegensatz zu einer Stunde. Das heißt 20-facher Effort, 200 Mal mehr Effort. Und hab mehr Spaß daran, als diese dämlichen Wichser zu folgen hier. Die nicht mal ihr Auto unter Kontrolle haben. Muss einer reden, der keinen Führerschein und kein Auto. Ich könnte mich heute anmelden. Ja, könnte ich. 19 bis 20 Uhr. Aber ich will es nicht. Ich kann nicht fahren. Ich kann in der Realität nicht Auto fahren. Und da gebe ich dir das Brief und Siegel drauf. Wahrscheinlich keiner zu. So, dann raus. Habt Spaß. Tschüss. Von 24 Minuten. Kastriert. Und trotz alledem nur 1700. Da kommt schon, da fahre ich 10 Mal. 10 Mal. Und das habe ich 10 Mal. So 10 Mal, das sind, da bin ich bei 18 Minuten. Da wäre ich sogar besser dran und es macht mehr Spaß. Online-Modus rendiert sich nicht. Tschüssi. Raus. Überlauf. Fuck you. Kein Bock mehr auf den Scheiß. Tschüss euch. Langweilt mich, dieses Scheißspiel. Weg, 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 weg. Mittwoch minus 3 Grad in der Früh. Geil. Was sagst du so zum Leben? 20 seconds left, then we get a beep tone. Most of the time, actually, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3. Special president is coming. I'm give up. Have a nice time, guys. Bye bye. Fuck this.